Howdy folks, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on trying to get this mess cleaned up. I'm sick and tired of looking at it, so this is what we're going to be working on today. Before we get another rainstorm out of the deal. Before we get another rainstorm out of it, this is what we need to do. I'm so sick of looking at it. What we're gonna do, I'm gonna put it, we can start burning stuff. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put it right in that spot there, right in that spot there. I want to thank you for watching, folks. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.